We are here in the front of Channel 5, the ex-Channel 5. Before, it's not the... This is the original of Channel 5 before. But now, they transferred in Colonia Monsisi. Oh, years ago, more 10 years, 5 years ago, I think. This one is the best place in Milan, Sigrati, Milano 2. Rich people stayed here in this nice park, nice buildings. It was constructed by in the time of Berlusconi. Berlusconi is one of the big imprenditori milanesi che ha dato proprio una buona esempio per tutti i milanesi, costruendo le case belle per tutta la famiglia. Lui amava la famiglia e così almeno la tassa della prima casa lui l'ha tolto, è l'unica eredi che ha lasciato Berlusconi a tutti i popoli italiani. So again we are here in this park of Channel 5 before. Now, as what I said, was transferred. A very nice place. Look guys, look at the fountains, the fishes. There's also, before there are lots of ducks here. I don't know where are the ducks now. No ducks. In front there is the hotel. In the other side of that is the famous hospital of San Raffaele. So very nice place. Now it's summer season, and the blooming trees, the blooming flowers, look the fish, look very nice fish. Look, and okay, look yeah, the turtle. Turtles. Wow, oh beautiful. Wow. Wow. And the blooming flowers of summer season. Spring season is coming. Look.